TechnoGimp. Filter on. Teach. Filter on. Software demo. Learners apply GIMP filters to images. List of topics. Using GIMP filters. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 141 to 144. Have you applied filters from your favorite social networking sites to your photos? Using filters. In this meeting, you will transform an image using different GIMP filters. Step 1. Open the image file, littlegirl.jpg. Use the different filters in GIMP to transform the image. Step 2. First, try using the artistic filters to give the image an oil painting effect. To do this, go to the menu bar and click on Filters. Artistic. Oilify. Step 3. In the Oilify dialog box that will appear, 1. Adjust the options to achieve different oily looks. Once done, 2. Click on OK to apply the changes. Step 4. The image should now look like an oil painting. Step 5. Now, try using the decor filters. To do this, go to the menu bar and click on Filters. Decor. Old photo. Step 6. This filter automatically creates a new tab and applies a sepia tone to the image, making it look like an old photo. Take note that the original image is kept on its original tab, so you can still go back to it and try to use other filters. Step 7. In the example below, Cubism filter under the artistic filters was used. Feel free to experiment with other filters found under artistic and decor. Processing questions. What GIMP filters do you like? Check your understanding. GIMP has a lot of good filters you can use. What's better is that you can stack as many filters as you want. Just make sure that it looks good and not messy. In the next activity, we will learn to apply more filters to images.